Voluntold.
Miss Mylene would like to try.
Miss Miley, wait, where is she? Oh, there you go. Okay. Thank you, Porsche.
So Miss Mylene, tell me when to stop. For our next table topics respondent, who would like to take the spotlight? May I know who is not taking a role today? How about Toastmaster Erica?
Voluntold.
She just want to watch, but would you like to try?
Sorry, I'll pass today.
Okay. Then, how about you choose the person who will respond to the next topic?
Me? I'll choose who will be the next person.
Yes.
Want me to choose? Okay, wait.
Yes.
Sorry, guys. Whoever you are, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do this to you, you know.
It's okay.
Okay, don't worry.
Okay, can we have Jane?
Carlo would like to volunteer. And Porsche would like to volunteer. Porsche?
Yes, I will.
So tell me to stop.
Stop.
The question is kind of complicated because it's a mix of questions, so I would advise you to take another one.
Okay. Stop.
For TN Porsche, how would you like to live in old age? Again, how would you like to live in old age? TN Porsche, that kind of works out both because, Tabata. Because in 4 minutes, you were able to burn 300 to 500 calories. Tama ba pagkakarinig ko?
4 minutes per set, so you can do about 5 sets to burn that much calories.
So maybe that will help a number of us who are looking to do exercises while in quarantine. So that is those are the 5 respondents. How many prepared speakers do we have for today?
Let me check. We have 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. So should I proceed with maybe 2 more table topics respondents, or do we proceed with the prepared speeches?
Let's ask Toastmaster. Ching? DTL.
I think we have time. AD Leia, we may proceed with 2 or 3 more. Thank you.
2 or 3 more. So there are 23 of us, right? So not a lot of us will be able to speak today, but as much as possible, we would like to hear from everyone. So anybody who is not taking a role today, kindly raise your hand or hand up.
Who's not taking a role? I think TM Ellen.
TM Ellen. So tell me when to stop.
Stop.
TMLN, what do you spend too much time on, and what do you not spend enough time on? Again, TMLN, what do you spend too much time on, and what do you not spend enough time? TMLN.
Okay. I'll repeat the question. What do I spend? Oops, sorry. So I'm quarantined here inside the room. So I locked it, but somebody got in. I'm spending so much on this time, but I know that with God's intervention, and I know that I'm doing very much for our people. I'm actually loving it, but I know it's something that now a trial for HR community, because we are also 24/7. And what I am spending, not so much, I think I'm not spending so much time with my family, because I think now practically a vacation for all of us. I should be spending texting, messaging my family, but I'm 24/7 on hook on my laptop and my PC because of this responsibility that I have on my shoulder. And right now, I'm seeing a lot of messages from my executive committee. So that's it. I think with you people, I still would want to have so much time with you because I'm learning so much. And I love this community because I am encouraged to speak. My time in the office is more on writing, so I am loving to have been inspired by all of you. Thank you. Back to you, TM Leia.
Okay, while waiting for Leah, can we acknowledge Joy, who's from, let's clap our hands for TM Ellen. Yes. Okay, so can we acknowledge Joy from Alabang, who's joining us today?
Hello, Joy. Hello.
I think she was here a while ago. Joy?
Hello.
Hi, wait,
Hi.
I'll spotlight you for a second because I'm still waiting for Leah. Hi, welcome to BF Community Online Meeting.
Hello. Thank you for letting me join your community. It's my first time.
Okay. Okay, I'll get back to you later. We're just wrapping up our table topics. Let me,
Right.
Maybe we can call on PM Joy.
Ako agad? Ako agad talaga, PM Leah.
Yes. Tell
what
me
is
when
the
to stop.
PM Leah, what is the topic all about?
Actually, I don't have pre-prepared topics. So whatever will be tell me when to stop, and wherever my finger will land, that will be your topic.
Stop?
Do you see that I'm holding a book?
Yeah. Stop?
Stop. For TN Joy, tell us about the friend that you have known the longest. Again, tell us about your friend that you have known the longest.
Oh,
TN.
about friends that I know the longest.
Yes.
Can I consider my friends, my family?
Yes.
I think my mom. I consider my mom as my friend, not only my mother, but she's my friend for a long period of time.